I got a 2003 Volkswagen Passat here. About a week ago I couldn't get it to start. I would try to turn over the motor and I would get all the relays clicking and fuses, and nothing was going on. I pulled the starter, tested the starter was working. I did a jump start with the starter to get the car, everything was working properly. I went online and found some stuff about looking under the driver's side where the comfort control module is, and people were saying your wires get corroded, so I believe I was getting this. Now and then the car would start and it just was a random problem. As you can see, now it's starting. So basically what the issue was is you got these wires here, and I'll try to get in here. You've got these two wires that come out, right? And they're attached here. This gets corroded and will break the connection. So basically I just wiggled this, but I could go a little further and splice these together back to where they were. But all I did was kind of crimp this a little bit and the car started right up. So try this before you go spend your money on relays or starters or mechanic or anything. Again, and see if I can even replicate the, see, there we go again, because I just messed with the wire, right? Not working. Now we come here, mess with this guy over here, and we'll come back. Oh shoot. Wasn't able to replicate this problem. Now I can mess with that guy. Car starts. So that wire needs to be spliced, but anybody out there having this trouble, try that out first. Got to remove this crap here. This car is a piece of old stuff thing. This has got to remove the little side thing here and get it on there until you locate that guy right there. Thanks for watching.